welcome back to the Emery Farm. Starting off with a cold day, but we need to get the animals done and then go up and work on the chicken coop more.
Alright, this morning we're going to start off with the ducks for the chores. We are going to fill their waters and fill their feeders, and we're going to go fill the outside water. Alright, so we got the water filling up out here. It was a bit cold this morning, so there is some ice in there, but like 12 o'clock it should thaw out and the ducks should be out here. They're in the cage now. Their door is always open, but not in the winter time when we had the heat lamp in there. They all warm, we put hay down and everything, so they're all warm then, but we're just gonna let this fill and then go to the next thing. Alright, so now we're gonna start off with the bunnies. Feed them right here. They really like it when I hand feed them.
All right, so in here I just got these nesting boxes that we put in. I got some some shavings in there, in both of them, and put a little bit more shavings in them down there. They were pooping a little bit in these up here, so hopefully they remember that these are nesting boxes, not a roosting space. They got food in here, and we got plenty of water, so let's move on to the chicks. So my brother just got the rabbits done, and now we're gonna come in here for the chicks. All right, well, I just took their feed out, filled it up a little bit more. So now they have more feed. Put that back in there. Put that back over, and they're done. All right, so we just got done with all the animals. Now let's head up to the chicken coop up there. All right, so yesterday, I was talking about we're gonna put the tin on this side, and we're gonna put the tin on, and then after that we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do for right here and back here. We're not 100% sure yet, but we're gonna have to build the nesting boxes probably down at the house and then bring them up here built. And then after that, we are going to get our push mower and come in here and push mow everything. So that there's goldenrod in here right now, so we need to push mow everything. And we have this 18-inch rototiller that we might come in here and use that too, so there's no more goldenrod coming up. So let's get started putting the tin on this side. Alright, so we have the tin laid out right here. We have one last piece to cut, and then we have to do them OSB sides and the plywood sides. But we gotta have this one last piece in, so let's cut it. Alright, so here's the outside. We just got it done. We worked pretty hard doing this. Me and my brother thought it kind of looks like a deer shack from here. But that's where the door is going to be. There's going to be a strip all across with 3 hinges, or 4 hinges. You might make 2 different doors, so it's easier to flip up. We got the tin on the bottom. We got the tin on the side. Got the OSB up there. And we even got the nesting boxes in. Got the OSB up there too. And this is what it looks like in here. Got all the nesting boxes in. Down there we got 8 of them. And I still need to put this one up, but kind of fell down. Still need to put that one up. But this is pretty much done in here. We got some supports for the nesting boxes over there too. And this is what it looks like in the inside. I know there's holes in the tin, but that's what reclaimed tin does. And then this is the back of it. So it looks like right here. We're thinking about right on this edge, putting a gutter and then putting a rain barrel right here. But the food and the water, come in here. Food and the water, we're probably gonna take a hook, 2 hooks, put one right there, and then have just a chain here so the water and food are right here. This is what it looks a little bit lower. I mean, I think it turned out pretty good. And it is pretty sturdy. Alright, so I think we're about done with this. In the next video, we'll probably put the chickens in, and we're going to leave them. We're going to put something over this and over there and leave them in here for about 24 hours a day, maybe 2 days, and leave them in there just so that they can get used to this and know that this is their place that they sleep and they lay their eggs. My brother's putting the other divider in, but we're gonna put a door in this and paying them feeders like we said we're gonna do this in the next video, and I think that's about it. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.